So do you ever feel like sometimes that the places that you go to hunt regularly are just totally hunted out? Well, this past weekend, I found out that's not the case. And I found something I've never found before. Take a look at how straight the line is on the XY screen. This was a beautiful signal. Hey, might have me a quarter here. Let's see. I lost where it was. But let's dig and see if we do have a quarter, or if it's just some kind of random brass thing. What in the world? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, I hit it with my shovel. That is not a quarter, y'all. I don't think. What is this? It's got an eagle on it. Hey, that's $1, I think. I think this is a sack of, yes, look at that. Not a quarter. It is I can't say her name. A year 2000p, United States, $1. Y'all saw how that was showing up on the XY, 93, 94. Great signal. This is the first $1 coin that I've ever dug. And I hit it with my shovel. Nice. Figure. Is it Sacagawea, I think? Anyway, that is pretty awesome. And I've been in this park so many times. So many times. Just didn't swing over it. That's a first for me, $1 coin. So there you go. Don't ever feel like a place that you go to hunt is totally hunted out, because chances are it's not. And in this case, I found something I've never found before. So don't ever give up. Keep going to those spots. You never know what you're going to find.